New just listed home, 3700 14th Avenue North, St. Petersburg, Florida, by Greg Bozek from the Military Veteran Team. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home on a spacious 1,550 square feet lot offers comfort and convenience. The expansive family room flows into the sleek, modern kitchen, equipped with a full suite of appliances. The primary suite is a true retreat with a walk-in closet and private ensuite bathroom. 2 additional bedrooms are generously sized and share the second full bath. Outside, your private in-ground pool awaits in a fully fenced backyard, creating the perfect Florida escape. Schedule your showing today.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.